How well is the job market in Linux and AWS?
That's a good question. And especially now with AWS as the biggest cloud computing service, the sheer amount of jobs available, there's always more jobs than people ready, trained to take them. So it's a great place to be. And also the trend of infrastructure is moving towards the cloud. So whatever amount of jobs there is today, there's like probably 10 times more in 5 years. So getting in cloud technology now is the best way to position yourself to future-proof your career for the next 10 years. So yes, the job market is looking up. It's looking very bright, and it's only, at least for the next 10 years, it's looking on an upward trajectory in general.